Everyone. A very good morning, good afternoon, good evening as per your respective time zone. My name is Sachin Hissaria, and in this video, I will be discussing about my IT and GRC audit practical approach training. So I would be telling you that what we are covering in this IT and GRC audit, what is our course curriculum, and what are the things that we are providing to you as a part of this particular training program. So without wasting much of your time, let's start. So guys, this is our IT and GRC practical approach training program. This is a total 32 hours of training program where we would be discussing how to do IT audit in a real life. So basically, we would be having total 8 sessions for this particular training program, and each session would be for 4 hours. So there is total 32 hours of session in this particular training program. If you miss any classes, then you can watch the recording. So we would be recording all the sessions and the recording will be shared with all the participants. The main USP of our training program is what we would be discussing each and every topic with the real life example. And the way we discuss is what we start from very basic to the advanced level. And in our training program, we also provides you that during the interview, what are the kind of questions that they would be asking, how to answer those questions. So that is also covered. For each training, what we do is that we create a specific study group. So that group would be there even after completion of training. So, after completion of training, if you have any query, any doubt, you can post that in a group. So that will also be there. Then we also provide a support for CV and a resume writing. Then apart from this, guys, the main thing is whatever domains which are there in our curriculum, we would be discussing all that domain with the help of data requirement sheet. We also prepare a checklist. We also prepare an RCM so that you get a proper idea that how to do that in a real life. Now, suppose if I show you our course curriculum. So guys, this is our course outline which we are planning to cover in this particular 32 hours of training program. As you can see, we are starting with very basic. First we'll discuss about the IT audit. When you do the audit, so how you do a walkthrough, how you do a sampling. Then our domain includes what information security policy. Then we also discuss about governance, what you need to verify in the governance. The risk management, the entire process of a risk management from start to an end, and how to review the risk register, how you post the relevant questions to the organization in order to check whether the risk management process exists or not. Then we discuss about exceptional management. We also discuss about user access management. Now, this is very critical domain. So we discuss that what to verify in the user access management. We discuss entire journey from the creation of ID till the revocation of ID along with the password management. So we discuss all of that. Then change management, incident management, BCPDR. These are a top domain of your ITGC audit, correct? Then also BAPT, log management process, HR security control, capacity management, asset management, patch management, backup management, restoration testing, input processing and output control. This is more from an ITAC audit perspective. We also discuss controls related to network security, data security, endpoint security control, physical and environmental security control. So if you'll see this curriculum, guys, this is very detailed curriculum which covers all your IT and GRC domain. Then other few domains like data classification, cybersecurity policy procedure, TPRA audit. We will be discussing everything that you need to know when you are doing a TPRA audit. Then once all of that domain are completed, then we also tell you that how to present your observations, how to write an audit report, what are the things that you need to consider while writing an audit report. So that is also covered, guys. This is the broad scope of a TPRA audit. Now, if I talk about, guys, what kind of audits that we are covering in this. So we cover all this audit: ITGC, ITEC, TPRA, IT security, IT governance, SOX audit, SOC 2 audit. So various types of audit we cover. So the main objective of this particular training program is to provide you that level of confidence that once you are done with the training, you can do any audit. We provide you that confidence. And why I'm saying that we are providing you that confidence, because we have a very good data as well. So I'll show you guys. I'll just show you a template sample that what kind of data that we share with the participant. So whatever domain that I have discussed, see, as you can see, for each of the domain, we have a data. For example, when I'm talking about user access management, so we will be showing you, okay, this is how the access management policy will look like. This is how the auditee will be sharing your data related to application. This is how they'll share you data related to password control. So we share the data along with the participants so that they can work on that data. They can understand, okay, this is how policies are written. This is what you need to verify. Once you will get the data, then okay, these are the key controls that you need to verify in that. So you will get that understanding once you have that data. And we discuss everything from the practical life perspective along with this real life data. This is not something which is, prepared based on theory. This is pure practical. And guys, anyone who is interested in ITIS audit, they can join the course in our previous training program. There are a qualified IT professionals like a CISA qualified, CISM, CIISP also. Those are people like, who have a theoretical understanding, but due to some reason, they are not getting a practical exposure. They are lagging the practical exposure. So they all can join a course. Similarly, sometimes what happens, guys, you are already working in this particular industry. Let's take an example of you're working in a big four, but sometimes your exposure is very limited. People are only working in a one domain for, I would say, more than 3 year, 4 year. They doesn't have a knowledge and experience of other domain. They can also join the course. And I am very glad to inform the kind of success that we are getting from our course. A lot of people are getting a job or job, like after completion of this course, based on this particular course, they are getting a job. They're getting their placement in an IT and GRC audit. And guys, you can see all that on our YouTube community as well. The kind of success that we are getting with the help of this particular course. So it is really beneficial for the one who are interested in this domain. Yeah. So this is all about my training program, guys. This is all about my training, IDN GRC training program. If you have any other query, any other doubt, feel free to write your queries, doubt in a comment section. If you want to enroll for the course, and if you want to know more detail about the course, feel free to reach out to us. This is our training website, guys. If you want, I can provide you that link in a description as well, video descriptions as well. Yeah, so this is all about our IT and GRC audit training program, guys. Thank you so much for your time. And in case of any query or doubt, feel free to let me know. That's all for from my side, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.